Hello everyone and welcome back to Happy Streamers. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is made by OpenAI and it can do a lot of stuff. Now it was launched by OpenAI on November 22nd, and since its launch it has become quite a popular chatbot. Now ChatGPT uses artificial intelligence, meaning it will grow as time progresses, and yeah, it just keeps on growing. Now, while the core function of the chatbot is to mimic a human conversation, chatbot has a lot of skills, and this skill is more advanced than a normal human. But if there is someone that excels in a category, the chatbot won't be able to emulate it to that extent. Chatbot can teach you how to code, it can teach you how to do almost anything. It can also give you recipes. You go to ChatGPT and ask it for a nice cake recipe, and trust me, it will give you a cake recipe. Now, let us talk about what can ChatGPT do. Well, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot system, so it can do a lot of stuff. It's an AI. So we're going to be talking about a few things that it can do, right? Alright. So first and foremost, ChatGPT can do codes for you, or it can be used as a Linux terminal. Now, as far as I'm not really that tech savvy with Linux, but it does a lot of stuff. It can... Okay, we're actually gonna move on from Linux. It can debug code. So if you're a programmer, and one of the applications of ChatGPT that is going to be very useful for you if you're a programmer, is that if you ask ChatGPT to check a piece of code for bugs, it will not only do that, but it will also explain what the bug is and show you how you can fix it. It can write codes for you. So it doesn't matter if you're a programmer or if you're learning to program, ChatGPT's functionality can come in handy. And if you're trying to figure out on how to write codes for a particular problem, you can just simply ask it to do it for you, and it will do it for you. It can play games with you as well. Like you could play tic-tac-toe, and you're gonna be playing tic-tac-toe with ChatGPT, so it's kind of funny. Now, imagine you have questions. We're humans and we have questions. You can ask these questions to ChatGPT, and the best part is ChatGPT will respond to those questions and give you proper answers. Now, it's not going to give you weird answers, but it will give you good answers. Alright, explain. So, one more thing. If you don't like the explanations, for example, you're trying to teach your younger kids or a younger audience, and you ask ChatGPT to explain something for you, right? After that, you can be like, ChatGPT, can you explain it like I am 5? Just write that, yeah? Once you write that, it will try to explain it to you like you're a 5-year-old kid, and so sometimes you're gonna get hilarious responses. Sometimes you might not really get hilarious responses, but hey, it's fun. You can get ideas for AI art, decoration, party themes, writing scripts, movies, music. You can ask it for suggestions. This is for the students out there, yeah? ChatGPT can help you do your homework and assignments very quickly. I use it myself, so like, yeah. And you can also use ChatGPT for translation, extract data from text. You can get creative with ChatGPT and use unique ideas and examples, because it's an artificial intelligence, so you can, even if it doesn't know how to do something, just throw your idea towards it and it will figure out a way to do it. You know how resumes are, everyone's trying to write a resume and all that stuff. You can use ChatGPT to write yourself a resume. You can make jokes, original jokes, using ChatGPT, but I don't really think those are original anymore because a bot is writing that for you. You can get the bot to explain complex theories to you, solve tricky math problems, actually help you learn maths, do your maths homework for you. So yeah, I mean, I just repeated a few of the tasks again. I'm sorry about that, but ChatGPT is actually pretty amazing. And honestly, my honest opinion, my honest recommendation for you guys would be, try it. Try it out. Just try out ChatGPT and start learning. May it be coding, may it be singing, may it be writing songs, anything that you want, ChatGPT will take care of it for you. So thank you for watching this video. If you did actually enjoy, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.